Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make scratched resolution in your CS2 application. So first of all, tap on search icon at the bottom left corner and type in here NVIDIA control panel and tap on it, or just do right click on the desktop and open NVIDIA control panel from here. So once we're here, you should tap on adjust desktop size and position right here. Scroll down until you find full screen settings. Choose that right here and don't forget tap on apply button at the bottom right corner. Let me return to CS2 application and tap on escape, tap on gear at the top left corner, and after that find video and video right here. Choose aspect ratio, normal, and choose resolution that you want to choose, and also change refresh rate if you want. Tap on apply changes, and as you can see we successfully do scratch resolution in CS2 application. That's it, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this video or this playlist about CS2 application. See you next time!